Leave every excuse behind and be transformed by the renewing of your mind. Burn the boats and eliminate the options. You're going in again, and this time, you're coming out with a win. Despite everything that has happened to you, you're still here, and I promise you, my friend, that's no mistake. There's a purpose for you to live, a purpose to live a life worth living. Right now, I need you to find a way to keep on living. I need you to live. Do you hear me? You need to keep on living. The darker the night, the brighter the day. Anxiety loves to add up. Fear loves to add up. Past trauma, worry, and doubt all love to add up into one big fist to knock you down until you're gone. But no, if you keep breathing past the anxiety, you'll make it. If you keep breathing past the fear, you'll make it. If you keep breathing past the trauma, you'll make it. If you keep breathing past the worry and doubt, you'll make it. If you don't do something different, you'll get knocked off. I don't care how many people have counted you out. I don't care how many times you've talked yourself out of it. Go back and win. Listen, my friend, you and me, we're going to make it. We're going to make it, my friend. I promise you, we're going to make it. You are breathing to win. You are breathing to a life of abundance. You are breathing to manifest what God has put inside of you. Write it up again. Negotiate it again. Call back. Send the email again. Send the text message again. Do not give up. Walk on the court again. Run on the field again. Step into the arena again. Try it one more time. And after you do that, you'll come back for more. You are establishing a new nature, a new protocol, a fresh government of how you conduct business. The cause of your downfall will be because of you. Nobody else but you. Stop looking around to place blame on things, people, and everything else. Look in the mirror and see who caused this in the first place. You closed the door on yourself because you were afraid to look within and see who did it. My friend, you are the one. The key to unlocking that door and becoming something more is your time. It's your turn. The wait is over. Get up and give back to yourself. We can get so wrapped up in the swirl of busyness, distraction, and noise that we lose ourselves. I understand, my friend. The pain won't stop. The suffering won't cease, and it's hard to see a better outcome for yourself. I understand. But look, if you just believe and you keep believing and you hold on to that belief, brighter days are coming. Weather through the storm, my friend. Weather through the pain, and I promise you, you will come out victorious. You just have to keep believing. If you do that, you're going to be okay. You are not a quitter. You are not a one-hit wonder. You were called to do something great. Many of you may have messed up the first 2 quarters of your life, but if you're like me, you've got a 3rd quarter and a 4th quarter. After all that's been said and done, every blessing, every battle, every memory, every image of the past, release yourself from the trauma, torment, and pain of it all. Step into your 3rd quarter. Step into your 4th quarter. Be fully persuaded that it's your turn and it's your time. I don't care what the scoreboard says. You have an opportunity. A warrior only needs one more opportunity to reveal to the world that he is more than just a dreamer.
What gets you out of bed? What gets you off the couch? What gets you in the gym? It's not your alarm. It's not your parents. It's not your friends. It's you. The only one who can make it happen for you is you. It's really hard to be led by your butt. But I'm not qualified. But I'm not good enough. But I'm not smart enough. But I didn't go to the right school. But I don't have enough money. But. If you're ever going to step into your future, if you're ever going to step into your destiny, you're going to have to get over your butt. And that's what a pity party is, when you have an undisciplined mind and you dwell on the wrong things over and over again. If you're going to throw a pity party, I give you 3 days and that's it. After 3 days, you turn off your record player, your iPod, your MP3, and you come up with a plan. Do I just sit there and settle? No, I don't. I say enough is enough and I'm going to make a change. I'm going to keep going until I get it. You chase something that you believe you deserve until you get it. It doesn't matter what happens to you, how many times you've been fired, or how many people don't believe in you. You just keep going until you get it. That's the point. Are you tired yet? Some of you need to get tired. You need to be tired of what's going on in your life. Get tired of your habits. Get tired of the actions that you're taking every day. You've got to change, or nothing changes. I woke up one day and stopped making excuses. I woke up one day and stopped playing the blame game. I woke up one day and looked at the person in the mirror and said, "Yo, what are you doing? Wake up, it's showtime, let's go. Get up, go to class, do your homework." You wake up earlier than others. You stay later than others. You stay humble. You work harder than anyone when no one's watching. I guarantee someone who feels bad about themselves will soon label you as, "He's built different." "He's built different" should be your label because people feel bad about themselves. Your life is exactly what you wanted. Because every day you've had choices to make. You're responsible and accountable for every single choice. You've made the choices. And what I need you to do for me is ask yourself, why are you here? Then take ownership of why you're here. You control you. This world isn't going to give you what you deserve. This world is going to give you what you work for. I put that work in every single day. And when you wake up every single day and you put that work in, but whatever it takes, we do it. Winning is not loyal to you. It doesn't care about you. Winning doesn't care how sore you are. Winning doesn't care how much sleep you get. Winning doesn't care how hard you work at times. Winning requires all of you, and then more, and it promises you nothing. It creates fear and doubt in your mind. It causes setback after setback. So the question isn't about winning. Are you willing to sprint when the distance is unknown? Why chase this thing called winning? Because the only thing that's guaranteed in life if you don't chase it is losing. Now is the time to grind. Now is the time to show the world that you were placed here for a purpose. Work for it. Fight for it. It begins today, it continues tomorrow, and it never dies.
If you're going to do something in your bloodline, if you're going to pass something down generationally, if you're going to be a light, sometimes you're going to have to get up when you don't feel like it. You know what, my friend? I think you're stronger than that. And I think you're capable of much, much more. So bring it out. Bring it out every single day that you live on this earth. Bring it out every single day that you open your eyes. Bring it out every single day. Bring out the best version of yourself, my friend, because we still have work to do. There are seasons and times, and there are rooms I've got to walk into, and there are hands that I have to shake, and there are contracts that I have to sign, and there are deals that I have to close that are going to require me to lose sleep sometime. So if I believe in the power of the future, then I've got to be willing to get up. You got the chance to wake up today, but somebody else didn't. You got the chance to eat your breakfast, wash your face, brush your teeth. You got the chance to walk out your door, go to work, go to school, go about your day like nothing else happened, but unfortunately somebody else didn't. My friend, you get the chance to do it all over again, but somebody else will not. Take advantage of the time you have. Give it all you've got. Get dialed in. If you're listening to me, let this be a moment of transformation and motivation, but let this moment not just move you, but change you to take action. Go back and win. Listen, my friend, you and me, we're going to make it. We're going to make it, my friend. I promise you, we're going to make it. We're going to make it. Be a person that gives again, believes again, does it again, picks up the pieces and tries to put the puzzle together again. Try it again. And eventually winning will become a habit. Progress, success will become our way of life, our code of conduct, our government. This is what I do. I'm motivated. I'm dedicated. I'm groomed. I'm conditioned. I'm ready to conquer the day.